Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ankush. Many times I told you the people how to get into the Oracle DBA field. In this video, I'll tell you how I started my career as a Oracle DBA in the early stages of my IT industry. So when I get my first job, I was working with the middle skill company, which is a CMI level 3 company, and there I got the chance to work as a web developer. So being a web developer, we were mainly responsible to create the website and just show that website to the client. So this was I was doing in my first company. So I was there for almost 6 months, and after working as a web developer role, I moved to the another company, which is CMI level 5 company. We called it as a MNC, multinational company. So in the MNC, you don't know like where you will work. That is the problem with the MNC. At least when you are working as in the in the early stages. So I was working with only for 6 months, even though I'm telling them that I was working as a web developer, but still there is a less chance that you will get the web developer role only, because for 6 months it is just like a fresher. So fortunately, or you can say unfortunately, I don't know what to say about that, I got the chance to work with one of the pharmaceutical client where we have a multiple teams were there. So when I'm saying multiple teams, like we were having the monitoring team were there, then backup team, VMware team, Windows team, Unix team, security team, all the teams. So you can say like all the technologies were there in under one project only. And then they hired me based upon my previous experience, and then they put me into the L1.5 team. So what is this L1.5 team? This team is basically not a L1 team, also not a L2 team. So L2 team means the people who are actually, you can say, a technically sound, or they are the professional in one technology. So if I'm giving you an example, like Oracle DBA L2 team is, they are only responsible to work as a Oracle DBA. L1.5 team means basically they will get the tickets from the different users, and their responsibility to just route that ticket to the respective team. So this is what I was doing when I was working as a L1.5 team member. So if you just think about the thing which I just told you, you'll find like it's not a good work, even though I was thinking the same. But now if you just realize the work, what will happen, they were not only responsible to route the tickets to the respective team, but also whatever the repetitive tasks are coming from different technology, all those tasks can be taken care by the L1.5 team. So what is the benefit over here? When you are working as a L1.5 team, you are getting the responsibility, and you will get a touch, you will get taste of each and every technology, and you will understand how this technology work and how it is internally connected to each other. After working with this L1.5 team for 1 year, I asked my manager that I want to move from this L1.5 team to the Oracle DBA team, because on that timing I was also working with this Oracle DBA manager, and whatever the small kind of activities were there, they were giving it to me. So I had some good impression with the management on that time, especially to the DBA manager, because even they have given me the small access, like read only access, so that I can do some kind of, at least I can see the manage, how the database manage, all the stuff I can do it. So here the twist, after asking so many times to the management, they were not able to give me the chance with the DBA team, because I was also a fresher, and basically the fresher will not get as soon as as soon as access to the DBA. That is the problem, because again, DBA is a responsible job where you will be working with the production environment, right? So because of that only, the experience with 1 year of experience guy, they will definitely not give the chance. But what I did, I asked them that, okay, if you're not giving me the chance, I want the release from this project. So after a lot of fight with this management team, I got the final release from the project, and I was there on the bench. Especially I was looking for Oracle DBA project. but my constraint was I don't want to go out of location also. That is the constraint which I was having, and I was unable to crack the interview also, because they want someone who is really having the experience with the Oracle DBA, and I was having just like theoretical knowledge, and when they were asking me the question, I was unable to crack it. But suddenly what happened, let's see what is happening here. Suddenly there is one team member which is a senior team member in my DBA field, in my DBA team. He got the release from my previous project. Okay, so I'm talking about this pharmaceutical project where I was working initially. So he got the release, and my manager, my DBA manager, he knows that there is one guy named is as Ankush. He was a part of monitoring team L1.5 team, and he was good guy. They were thinking like that. So he tried to approach me. He dropped an email to me saying like, we have an opportunity for you, and at that time I was unable to give you the opportunity because of some constraint, but now the position is open. So is it possible for you to come into the same project where I already cut the cake? So I said yes, why not, this is what I was looking for. So finally I entered into the DBA field. Then I moved to the my Hyderabad location where my senior DBA was working. I got some training from them, and it was really a really technical training. I really enjoyed over there. I learned a lot of things, and then again I come back to my work location, and then I started working with those people as a junior DBA. And when you are the part of DBA, you will not take much time to understand the concept, because theoretical I was already aware. I have already seen the environment, but I just need to see that thing practically in the real time environment. So within 6 months I learned everything, and then I suddenly jump into the another company, and then continuously you will get a lot of opportunity as a Oracle DBA. And now I'm handling a lot of things, including the your big data, cloud, and Oracle DBA also. A lot of things I am handling nowadays. So this is the story of my to getting into the Oracle DBA from the early stage till now. And now you can see that I am training to them a lot of people all over the world basically. So I think what I can tell you at the end of this story basically, if you are the manager and you know that some people I saw like they are not trusting to the freshers, especially when they want to take it into the Oracle DBA field. So I just have one message to those people, because unless and until you will not give the opportunity to the freshers, how they will learn the things, right? So what I'm thinking that at least you should try to give them a read only access or development server access, test server access. This is what happened with me. I got the development server access. When they found like that I'm doing good, I got then test server access, and finally they gave me production server access. I was doing well. Because of that only, within 15 days itself I was getting all the access, so development to test and test to production. So this is what happened to me. So if you are a manager or team lead and you have the authority to take a guy in your team, and if you found like there is one student or the fresher who is technically good and he is just looking for opportunity, I think you should try for this. I think you should give him the access, at least read only access, so that he can start his career and he can show his logic, his magic to you. And definitely at the end of the day what will happen, it will be a benefit for your client as well as for your company also. Second thing is for the freshers or the student, don't give up. Don't give up. Try reading more and more things, not only from my channel, there are other channels also. So try to go to their channel, learn more things, go to the blogs. Oracle documents are there. Join multiple WhatsApp group, Facebook groups, and read more and more things, and try to see the challenges. One thing which I want to tell you about myself is, whenever any guy is facing any technical issue in my team or other team, I always like to go there and sit on his chair and solve his problem. Because of that only what will happen, you will understand more and more things about the technology, and it will be really benefit for you to increase your technical knowledge only. So this is all about the today's video. I think you will understand more and more things, and I think you got something from this video. I know this is not a technical, but this kind of videos are only mainly will ask you to move yourself out of the box and read the new things and try to understand more and more about the technical things. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Please do like, subscribe and share this channel.